How to change a headlight on a 2005 Dodge Caravan. So I know a lot of you have headlights that look like this and get water in them and everything. And you can buy kits and clean these and make them real nice like this. But should you clean this, or should you just go ahead and replace it with one of these? So this video is going to be about, should I clean it? And if you don't clean it and you get a new one, how to install the new one. So I'm going to show you how to install the new one, and we'll talk about cleaning headlights. Now for changing the headlight, we're going to need one tool. It's a Sensible product, 5-in-1 screwdriver. And I'm going to take this apart. This right here becomes a 5/16, and that's the size we're going to need for the bolts. You can use a flathead because it has slots in the bolts to use a flathead screwdriver, but I prefer the nut driver, which is 5/16. So now right here on top you have these 3 bolts. Like I said before, they're 5/16, so take that out of your nut driver. Put your nut driver on the bolts and take them loose. So now that you have the 3 bolts out, you pull the headlight out, and over here you have the turn signal. On the turn signal you just twist that up and lay it over to the side. For the headlight bulb was right here, you just pull that off and there it is. And this is your headlight assembly that you're going to change. We'll talk about cleaning this in a minute. Now we're going to talk about cleaning the headlight. So when your headlights get bad and you think you want to clean them, it's going to cost you about $30 for a kit and all that stuff, and I just don't think it's worth the money to try to clean them. This headlight cost me a little over $30 on Amazon. I will put a link down below the video for the headlight. And also, if you're thinking about, even if you're thinking about changing headlight bulbs, it's about $24–25 for a set of headlight bulbs. You can buy both of these for under $100, and they come with the headlight bulbs. So it's just about better if you have to change the bulbs, change both headlight fixtures and the bulbs and put them all in new. So that's why I say I used to do headlight cleaning for a living. It used to be Magic Headlight, used to be the name of my company, and I cleaned a lot of headlights. And if you have a Lamborghini or something like that and you want to clean them, that's a different story, because those are $1,000 a piece. But these are a little over $30 a piece. Easy to get, easy to replace, and it's brand new. So now to put this back in, you just plug the headlight back in, plug the turn signal in, put it in place, and put the 3 bolts in. That's what I'm going to do. So there you have it. Now you have a new headlight, and that's the difference. Looks pretty doggone good, and it has a new bulb in it, and you're ready to go. So thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day. And I won't say you're wasting your money, but check the prices. Don't waste your money cleaning when you can get something new for the same price or less, and it's just a nicer job. It looks fantastic. I'll see you guys later. Have a fantastic day. Oh, and I don't have to wear glasses no more. I can wear sunglasses. Check out my cataract video. See you later.